In an isosceles trapezoid with bases of 20 and 12, we need to determine the length of the diagonal and the leg. This is given that the center of the circumscribed circle lies on the longer base of the trapezoid. Step 1. Understanding the setup. Since AD is the diameter of the circle, the center of the circle, let's call it O, lies on AD. Because the longer base is 20, the radius of the circle, OD or OC, will be half of that, which is 10. Step 2. Finding the height of the trapezoid. Draw a perpendicular from C to AD, and let's call the intersection point L. This line segment CL represents the height of the trapezoid. Since the shorter base is 12, the segment from the center O to the point directly below C on the longer base will be half of the shorter base, so OL is 6. Now, consider the right-angled triangle CLO. We know the hypotenuse OC is 10, and one leg OL is 6. Using the Pythagorean theorem, CL squared equals OC squared minus OL squared. CL squared equals 10 squared minus 6 squared. CL squared equals 100 minus 36. CL squared equals 64. Taking the square root, CL equals 8. This is the height of the trapezoid. Now, let's find the length of the diagonal and the leg. Let's look at triangle ALC. The length of AL is half the difference between the bases added to the shorter base. Or more simply, it's AO, which is 10, plus OL, which is 6. So AL is 16. AC squared equals CL squared plus AL squared. AC squared equals 8 squared plus 24 squared. AC squared equals 64 plus 256. AC squared equals 320. Taking the square root, AC equals the square root of 320, which simplifies to 8 times the square root of 5. This is the length of the diagonal. Next, consider triangle CLD. The length of LD is half the difference between the bases. LD equals 2 minus 12 divided by 2, which is 8 divided by 2, so LD equals 4. CD squared equals CL squared plus LD squared. CD squared equals 8 squared plus 4 squared. CD squared equals 64 plus 16. CD squared equals 80. Taking the square root, CD equals the square root of 80, which simplifies to 4 times the square root of 5. This is the length of the leg. Answer. The leg is 4 times the square root of 5, and the diagonal is 8 times the square root of 5.